Hey there, just wanted to do a quick video today to say that I'm so excited about you guys introducing yourself in the forum introductions. Thanks so much for doing that. By this point, most of you have done that. If you haven't, get yours out there and post it today if you can. Um, I'm excited about this class as I read through some of your introductions, and I noticed a number of things, and I looked at the list of our class. We actually have a good grouping of people here that are very diverse. We have 15 women in the class, 7 men. We've got 9 freshmen, 5 sophomores, 6 juniors, and 3 seniors. So class level is spread out. We've got nursing majors and science majors. We have communication majors, a number of criminal justice majors. We have some business and marketing, accounting majors, and music majors, and some biblical studies and ministry majors. And so even with your majors, just in this class, there's a good diversity of people in many different ways. And so your forum discussion should be exciting, people coming to things from different perspectives. I notice also that some of you know the Bible or have heard of it, and many of you are familiar with the New Testament, or you're seeing this as a chance to improve in your faith. Others of you come from a background where there isn't a faith tradition, or you're not religious, or you've never come to and read the Old Testament before and have no idea. So a great diversity. This will bring about good discussions and a good opportunity for all of us to learn and to benefit from one another in the time. Just wanted to say, too, a number of Ask About quizzes and tests. Just wanted to give you some quick direction on that. The quizzes on Fridays will only be out of the Reading the Old Testament book, and only the chapters read that week, Wednesday to Friday. So that's all that will be there. And then the unit exams on Tuesdays will include both the Reading the Old Testament textbook and the scriptures that you're supposed to have read. Someone asked, well, what should I study? There's so much material. For me, if you go back to that original video that I showed on the first day of class, today actually, about reading the Bible and seeing it as a story, I'm much more interested in you having big picture ideas. So you might want to focus on key terms, key characters. What is the content? What is the flow of the book? So what's in Genesis? What's in Exodus? What's in Leviticus, Deuteronomy? What is the content and who are the people in those things? So we want to look at this as how does the story unfold across these different books and across the different types of literature that we look at in the Old Testament. How does the story unfold? And so very big picture. I'm not going to ask you minutia, I don't think. Again, I'm just want you to focus on big picture and key terms, key characters, and flow of books and what's in them. So hopefully that's helpful to you as you think about it. One other thing I wanted to just point out real quickly to you, I'm going to switch over here to so you can see this. Some people with Bible reading find it hard to read this much material, so I just wanted to bring to your attention, if you're a person who's an auditory learner, you might want to go to Bible Gateway. You'll see BibleGateway.com. It's a great resource for Bible studies and learning. You can actually look up many different translations here. We're using the New Revised Standard, but you'll see all these different English translations and even some foreign translations of the Bible there. But so you can look up any passage here and read it online, but there's also these audio apps, audio Bibles, or that you can use online, or there's this Bible Gateway app, audio app, so you can download it on your phone or your device and have it right there. YouVersion also has a app that you can download through the iTunes Store or through the Android marketplace, wherever you get those and whatever kind of phone you have. But I wanted, if you use these audio Bible apps, you'll find that the New Revised Standard Version is not available. That's a copyright issue. But like if you get into here, you'll see there's various NIV translations you might want to use. Many like this dramatized version because it has music and it has different voices in the background, so it's a little easier to listen to, and you just pick what passages you're supposed to be listening to, and then you can do that. So I wanted to make that available to you if some of you like that kind of listening, or if you wanted to have it on your phone, so you can do that. So just wanted to do this quickie today. Again, excited to have you in class and hope things are going well. Feel free to email me if you have questions about anything to do with the class. Take care and have a good day.